Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at symbol info's integer. Symbol info integer. Symbol info integer. So we're going to look at the symbol info integer and how exactly it can help us. So in this case, we can take in parameters of type. We need to of course specify a symbol, and then we need to then after that we can get something we want from this symbol. So these are all the things we can actually access here when we use this symbol info integer. So we can actually get all these about a symbol. Yeah, so these are all the informations we can access. So for example, we can have a look at the spread. We can try and get the spread for a specific symbol, right? Let me quickly go to the MQL5 reference and see. Um, so the MQL5 reference date is. So it says here that returns the corresponding property of a specified symbol. There are two variants of the function. So the name, identify this, and then first one immediately returns the property value. Second one returns true or false depending on whether a function is successfully performed. So as you can see here, this is an example of what they use to calculate the spread, if I'm not mistaken. They use this symbol info double. If you watch the previous video, you would see that I made an example using this as well, but basically getting the bid and the ask price. So in this case, we could calculate the spread, but then again, we can still access the spread. But let's see if that is going to work. So in this case, I'm going to assign an integer value to this. I'll say current spread is equals to symbol info integer, and then this. So I'm going to use an alert to basically get the current spread and for us to see if it's actually true. So alert current spread. Let's see if it is actually going to give us the current spread. So basically F7 to just compile and check if there's any errors. So yeah, possible. Okay, so basically guys, this is a long data type. So again, I'll make an example. Okay, not an example. If you guys can see here, when we were typing symbol info integer, do you guys notice? So the symbol info integer can either be a long data type or a boolean data type. Boolean data type. So in this case, since we want to get a spread, which is a value, a number, we are going to go with long. So that's why I'm going with the long data type. It's also a digit. These are digits. So we are going to print out the current spread and see if it is actually correct. So again, I'm going to F7 this to make sure there's no problems, and you can see there's no problems. Now I'm going to go to my chart, and then I will look for it and attach it here. Okay. So it says our spread is 351. Now, is that our spread? As you can see, guys, our spread is 351. So yes, guys, these here can help us get certain things we want from the chart. So I don't know if I can make another example. Let's see if we can try and look at something here. Okay, let's return to our editor. So let's see what else we can actually access. Symbol. Let's look at simple digits. Yeah, I'll just keep it as is and F7 this to check. Oh, it's already ran. So let's go to our chart. symbol digit is 2. So yes guys, you can play around with this and you'll be able to get specific information from the chart according to what you need. Yeah. So yes guys, that is all for this video. In the next one I'll be looking at the symbol info string, and we'll see what we can actually get from our chart just using the symbol info string. Yes. Thank you very much guys.